loved being a member of the Paragon Network. It has certainly brought a lot of different perspectives to the table, especially as an independent FBO. It gives us a really strong network of other FBOs who we've gotten to know over the years, trusted leaders that we know we can go to in the industry. And there's also that same sentiment when it comes to vendors, getting to know different vendors and different people in the aviation industry that can offer products to help our functionality as an FBO.